Today we're making chicken schnitzel.
3, 1, go.
Let's bow the chicken. Bow,
Wow.
bow, 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 bow.
Eggs is good. All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
Get the eggs and 2 eggs.
2 eggs. Do we need to whisk it?
Yes, and
Here we have the chicken breast.
and we're going to mix it.
All right, Manny. So what do we do next?
Add salt. Is it enough?
Yeah, that looks good.
Pepper.
Awesome.
Now,
Video is coming. 2, 3, 1. Go. All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
add the lemon zest.
Awesome.
And we add the lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
And you have and you can and when you have the eggy or the egg smell, you don't want that. So the lemon juice is here to save you from the eggy and smell. And it smells disgusting to you.
2, 3, 1, go. Breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs.
Very well, Manny.
Now,
Moment of the truth.
what?
Manny. 2, 3, 1, go. All right, Manny. So what do we do now? I see you put the chicken inside the mix.
No, we put in breadcrumbs. Okay.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, do all of it, Manny. Do all of it. I love breadcrumbs. Yes, fantastic. It's looking fantastic, Manny.
Easier.
All right. Perfect. So what are we making now, Manny?
We're making the salad.
Look at that beautiful chicken. It's coming out really nicely. So what are you using to season?
Add the tomatoes. Add extra virgin olive oil. Enough?
Mm-hmm.
1 vinegar. Tell me when.
That's good. Use your hands to mix them, Manny. Well done. Well done. Go. All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
We are adding. Now I introduce. This is the ultimate chicken schnitzel. Let's see how crunchy is the chicken. This looks delicious. Ooh. Tastes good.